For all the people wey be dey think say we no fit do without them. God don bring another one, my people. Una need see this small girl. Obara. The girl dey do wonders. They call am youngest DJ in Nigeria. Oh boy. In fact, as I dey talk una like this, DJ copy on her own. She don dey shake. She dey fear say this girl fit take over her. Oh my, una see how this girl dey play. The sound be gone, everything just dey gampe. Abeg for una wey no know who I dey talk about, this youngest DJ, very cute fine girl. Join me, make we watch the video.
Let's go. Trey, and you'll turn up the music now one time. Let's go, say, come on. Everybody, let's go, say. Let's go. Hey, you ladies with how would it go, sir? Let's go, say, come on. Oh yeah. Say, don't find that short. DJ Yoshi, baby, let's go. What's up, baby? Say, come on. Let's see. He doesn't mean I know my body. Everybody now, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Once again, I'm DJ Let's Baby. Oh, we hear you, the building.
Hey, I mean, be like say me some I go enter inside DJ market too, because the thing as I dey watch myself, I don't dey dance. But I get one problem. You know, say every time they bring in my own mind and I dey talk through. I don't know why Africa no like we don't like ourselves for Africa. We not just like ourselves. We not sabi support our own. You understand? Because as soon as I watch this video now, when this matter first come out, hey, nothing where I no go hear. Hey, which thing be this one now? This guy supposed to school now. I made for learning computer science now. This one, that one. You where you go school, you even get 5 certificates, so they don't use and say wrap a cara finish. You sit down there. One thing you know get job, you never even see. You just dey. You in fact you even still dey of your father compound where grass don't full the compound say finish. But you dey come outside, you get mouth. No, I not just understand. Even if we won't fight person, we don't see the small thing where we dey talk about. This girl, she too small. She fit even be one of una pikin. You still dey there, Madam Complaining Association of Nigeria. Now una be captains. Now una be, in fact. No look this small girl like this. I remember one party where I go. Hey, now the first time where I see this girl. Now from that day I know say, this girl future is bright. Her future is bright. When I see this girl, I can't wonder say, by this time of the night, see wetin these rats they do for you. Abi they no get restriction. They no. You understand? I can't wonder. My people, when music start they play, I say no, I must look for this DJ number because my birthday been there the following week. As I go say, I won't collect DJ number, I no go believe in this girl. See how people they jolly, they go, they dance. She swept everybody off their feet. Now they sit down, they speak English. Oh my, this girl good though. She good. No, I just give una small. This video when I just watch na demo, small one, so that una go just taste and understand me una no just dey salivate. As I told this one now, no say me no una go dey talk. I don't talk say school no good. Education is very good. So no the one way because I don't talk now, many of una go come give up on a career, so una no dey go school again. I beg go ejo, I no talk that one. I just dey talk based on say, see, the way government alone they handle things for this country, e no dey easy. You understand? And not be everybody even get money to go school, but we get talent. Everybody where they born for this life, you na come with something. You get something where you get nobody fit do am. So no, don't be talk where they talk na true. You get wetin me and fit do, you no fit do am. You understand? So everybody get talent. Okay, as school no work for you, you no go use your wise, no, your wisdom. You no go use your wisdom now. Make you say okay, wetin dey inside me, I fit bring out, give to the world. Now wetin we dey call wisdom? Una just sit down there, higba. Una go dey wait. If you depend on your certificate, you go suffer. You go just join people dey sweep streets of Lagos. You go just join the other ones where they go there, they count bridge. Many people go school, but today they no even go anywhere. You understand? And una where they run mouth, na just they run una mouth. Places where this girl fit enter, una never even smell am. Una never smell am. Where she don't enter, abi me we talk about her account balance. The figure where this girl get for your account now, una dey insult her, una dey degrade her, una dey talk many things. Wetin she get for your account? She go even pay all your children school fees join. Learn to dey appreciate good thing. You understand? Learn to dey appreciate good thing. No be this girl fault where your siblings dey hawk pure water. No be in fault oh. So see, Africans, we too dey carry our aggression, our problem on top of other people. Now why if you see good thing, you no fit dance to them. And the more you know they dance to people's success, your own no go come. It is as simple as ABC. No preaching about this one. You see, now wetin you give, you go receive. If you like sit down there, cross hand, they wait. It go come. You go just now the same thing where you live. Now wetin you go see meet for there. Check all these people where they complain now. No job. They no get anything. Africa. If na white person now, if this girl now from one white country now, una go see how they go dey hail am. Hey, my God, she's good. Hey, this one. They go even some people go even tell her, congrats, sis. Which sis? You don't know how many children your mama born. Yeah, sis. Not only sis, na sis eko. Continue. Make una continue. Any smart thing I won't put. I beg you, my sweetheart. Hey, I am your number one. In fact, I go soon send. Make una anybody wey know your account number send am. I won't send her money. I don't say go reach level where she get, but to show appreciation. See, learn how to appreciate good things. It is very, very important. My sister, congratulations. Oh, you understand? Very, very. In fact, grow higher and higher and higher. As they talk about you, they play the thing. They checky up. Very, very important. From 101 TV, we say congratulations. I'm priding in you. Very, very important. But people waiting on a gas talk concerning this matter. If you dey against me or you dey for me, still drop her for that comment section. And I get on a time, I go reply on a one by one. Share this video so that everybody go know say youngest DJ don't come and DJ Copy too. May her heart they cool down. You understand? I beg subscribe if you never subscribe, and make sure say you click on that bell. If not, you go dey miss everything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.